NRAAM 24, Dallas, Texas. Avidity Arms booth with Cannon. And Avidity Arms now has a rifle. Cannon's going to talk about it and tell us about all the cool features on this thing. So let's do it.
Let's take a look. We've got many of the ergonomic features from the PD10. So you've got your anchor point right there for the trigger finger. You've got styling that matches the PD10. On the other side, you've got the same semblance of the anchor point from the PD10 where your thumb would be driving it forward. That's just there cosmetically on this side. Avidity Arms branding all the way across, milled into a really premium lower receiver.
Yes, it is.
Now, one of the really exciting things about this is the rock-in mag well. And you're still going to operate the magazine release like a traditional AR-15,
right?
But it gives you the ability to rock that mag in like an AK-47 magazine.
Baby.
So if you're comfortable with that gun, it just feels super intuitive.
Right.
Now I'll say all the features on this gun just fall right into your hands, and it feels as natural as can be.
Right. Big shout out to our friends at Gideon Optics for helping us with the trip to NRAAM. Gideon Optics offers a variety of LPBO, dot, and prism optics. My favorites are the Rock dot sighting green, which I have on my Kiger 9C probe, and the Advocate prism sight that is mounted on my very fun to shoot Strybog 22. Gideon gives you great features like your choice of red or green emitters, shake awake technology, Picatinny rail adapters included, and all optics come with an outstanding lifetime warranty.
And on many of these guns, we're pairing them with the Nemo upper receiver. And that's a super nice upper receiver group. We're really thrilled to be working with them. Glad to show people that they're making components too, in addition to their complete rifles. And we think it looks really nice together. Yeah. Just a great gun.
Now the kind of upper, pretty much any standard upper would work on that lower, right?
Yeah, I don't think you're going to run into any problems with other upper receivers. We've got a company called US Rifle out of Asheville, North Carolina. They're pairing this lower receiver with a 7.62 by 3.9 upper.
Oh, nice.
And that really makes sense with the rock-in mag well. That makes it a cool hybrid AR-47 situation. There's a company up in Massachusetts that's doing some 22 long rifle upper receivers with this gun.
Yeah.
That's a really fun one to shoot. You can have a ton of fun just going out to the range with a box of 500 long rifles and going to town.
Right. Well, cool. Ken, thanks for
thank you. I appreciate the opportunity.
We're
excited about this gun.
It looks good.
Well, thank you.
So if hopefully we'll get a chance to put some rounds through one of those eventually. But if it shoots half as good as it looks, it's going to be phenomenal.
It certainly does. I think you're going to love it.
Yeah. That'll do it from Avidity booth, NRAAM 24. Nice.